Windows XP installation. Part 1. Begin the installation. Step 1. Insert the Windows XP CD in your computer and restart your computer. Step 2. If you prompt to start from CD, press the spacebar. If you miss to prompt it only appears a few seconds. Restart your computer and try again. Step 3. Windows XP setup begins. During this portion of setup, your mouse will not work, so you must use keyboard. On the Welcome Setup page, press Enter. Step 4. On the Windows XP License Agreement page, read the license agreement, press the page down key, and scroll the bottom of the agreement, then press F8. Step 5. This page enables you to select hard disk drive on which Windows XP you will be installed. Once you complete this step, all data on your hard disk drive will be removed and cannot be recovered. It's extremely important that you have recently backed up copy on your files before continuing. When you have backup copy, press D and then press L when prompted. This deletes your existing data. Step 6. Press Enter to select Unpartitioned Space, which appears by default. Step 7. Press Enter again to select Format Partition using NTFS file system, which appears by default. Step 8. Windows XP erases your hard disk drive using a process called formatting and copies the set of files called formatting and then copies the set of files. You can leave your computer and return in 20 to 30 minutes. Part 2. Continue installation. Step 9. Windows XP restarts and then continues with the installation process. From this point forward, you can use your mouse. Eventually, the regional and the language option page appears. Click Next to accept the default settings. If you are multilingual, prefer language to another English, prefer a language other than English, you can change language settings after setup is complete. Step 10. On the Personalize page, type your name, your organization name. Some programs use this information to automatically fill in your name when you required, then click Next. Step 11. On your product page, type your product key as it appears on your Windows XP CD case. The product key is unique for every Windows XP installation, then click Next. Step 12. On the computer name and administration password page, in the computer name box, type the name that uniquely identifies your computer in your house, such as family room or Tom's. You cannot use spaces or punctuation. If you connect your computer to a network, you will use this computer name to find share files and printers. Type a strong password that you can remember in the administrator password box, and then retype to confirm it password box. Write the password down and store it in a secured place. Click Next. Step 13. On the date and time setting page, set your computer's clock, then click the time zone down arrow and select your time zone. Click Next. Windows XP will spend about a minute configuring your computer. On the networking settings page, click Next. On the workgroup or computer domain page, click Next. Step 16. Windows XP will spend 20 to 30 minutes configuring your computer, and then it will automatically restart when finished. When Display Settings dialog appears, click OK. When the monitor setting dialog box appears, click OK. Step 18. The final stage of setup begins. On the Welcome to Microsoft Windows page, click Next. Step 19. On the Help Protect Your PC page, click Help Protect My PC by tuning on Automatically Update Now, then click Next. Step 20. Windows XP will then check if you are connected to the internet. If you are connected to the internet, select the choice that describes your network connection. On the Will this computer connect to the internet directly or through a network? If you are not sure, accept the default section and click Next. If you use dial-up internet access, or if Windows XP cannot connect to the internet, you can connect to the internet after setup is complete. On the How you will this computer connect to the internet page, click Escape. Windows XP setup displays the Ready to Activate Windows page. If you are connected to the internet, click Yes and then click Next. If you are not yet connected to the internet, click No. Click Next and then skip to step 24. After setup is complete, Windows XP will automatically activate and register your copy of Windows XP. Step 22. On the Ready to Register with Microsoft page, click Yes and then click Next. Step 23. On the Collecting Registration Information page, complete the form, then click Next. Step 24. On the Who you will register your computer page, type the name to each person who will use the computer. You can use the first name, only the nicknames, or full names. Then click Next. To specify a password to keep your account private, read the Create and Customize Your Accounts. Step 25. On the Thank You page, click Finish. And now, you are almost done with the Windows XP installation. Congratulations! Windows XP setup is complete. You can now log on by clicking your name on the logon screen. If you installed Windows XP on a new computer or a new hard disk drive, you can now use the File and Setting Transfer Wizard to copy your important data to your computer or hard disk drive. Thank you for watching and sayonara.